Good morning, my friends. It is October 7th, 2020. This happens to be my 61st birthday, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about the long-awaited Skydio 2 drone. Felipe, my good friend in Mazatlan, Felipe has been waiting for this for a really long time, and it finally shipped. The reviews of it, of which I have seen on YouTube, are extremely positive. So here we go. This box, sorry, the shaking, you do this one-handed, is the drone itself. And when we come back, I'll have this opened and you can see what's inside. Okay, this is the drone itself, along with some parts. These are like spare propellers. Hopefully don't need too many of those. This is looks like a charging cable. It's a Type-C cable. That's how the drone charges, is with Type-C. Power supply. Charging brick. Pretty much the regular stuff. I can take the drone out of the package really easily. I'm not going to assemble. It doesn't need to be assembled, but I'm not gonna put it in action mode at this point. But this is upside down, so I guess it would normally look like this. Battery clips in here. Wow, there's this camera on the front. It's a beautiful device. Okay, this is, all the press says this is just the drone. So we're done with that. Now this is the Cinema upgrade, which seemed like the best package deal for Felipe and what he wants to use it for. It's a really large box, as you can see. I mean, and it's very tough. The big deal about saying assembled and supported in the United States of America is a big deal for them to get military contracts, which they already have several, I'm told. All right, so let's open this up. It opens with, well, it opens the other way. It has little clips down here. Just pick it up. All right, so oddly enough, this package right here cost almost as much as this one. So what we have here is a joystick-based remote. This doesn't get as good a reviews as some other remotes, but it works with your mobile phone as a display. This is probably one of the most distinguishing features of the drone, and that is the beacon. One of the problems the drones have is following you, and this beacon apparently makes it just amazing. Here we have some more spare propellers. Here we have a 128 gigabyte SanDisk memory card. These things down here are some ND filters, 3 batteries. So I think that makes a total of 4 batteries that you have for the drone. Here's just charging cables. This is Type-C to Type-C. And I assume this is lightning. Yeah, that's a lightning cable for if you have an iPhone. Not just charging, but not charging, I didn't mean to say that. That's connect your phone to the remote cables. And other than this little card that's sealed, oh, it's a Polar Pro filter. Other than that, this seems like it.